Piloting a fishing boat on the upper reaches of the Yangtze River, Yu Hong's keen eyes swept the water surface to spot if there are any illegal fishing activities. Yu, 50, is a leader of a voluntary patrol team guarding a national nature reserve of rare fish in the upper reaches of the Yangtze River. Established 8 years ago and supported by the local government, the team now has 11 members, most of whom used to live by fishing, including Yu. The change of the roles of those fishermen is part of a series of efforts made by southwest China's Chongqing municipality to protect the ecological environment of China's Mother River.
我从小就生长在江津区的这个油溪镇长江边上。2000年的时候，那时候看到那个长江里面非法捕捞很严重，所以说那是很心痛看到。我就想为自己家乡做点事情，尽点自己绵薄之力。
Since the establishment of the voluntary patrol team, local fishermen have waged a war against poaching, helping uncover more than 1,000 cases of illegal fishing activities along the river. On January 1, 2021, a 10-year fishing ban took effect in pivotal waters of the Yangtze.
10年禁渔嘛，都渔船全部上岸，渔船全部上岸。我们当然尽了那个富裕度了。我自己也有小孩，别人也有小孩。为了我们的子孙后代能够生活在一个环境、生态各方面都是相当好的一个长江边上，我也要把那份工作尽职尽责地做下去。
Chongqing has established a long-term management mechanism for the fishing ban and achieved full coverage of law enforcement cooperation in interprovincial boundary waters. Thanks to the continuous efforts, the number of rare fishes has recovered notably.
今年我们做这个复渔工作呢，在这个江边上也看到我们这个江面的改变，水变清了这2年，然后那个鱼也多了，成群结队的晚上这野生动物也多起来了。